Hi guys, this is Romit. In this tutorial, we'll look at the concept of pipes in Angular. So, for an explanation purposes, I've just created one pipe component and I've created some class variables which I will be using for explaining the concept of pipes. Pipes generally is used for changing the data of a variable at the time of view. So you get the value of a variable, let's say from backend, and then you change it just to show it in a proper format. That is the idea. So there are various things you can do with pipes. There are some inbuilt pipes also available in Angular. So in the first part of the tutorial, we look at the inbuilt pipes, some of the pipes related to string data type, then some related to your numbers, and at last few pipes related to data. So let's start with some pipes which we have with respect to string data type. So let's say I have a message property defined in my TS file, which is welcome to Angular. What I'm doing is on this message property, I'm applying a lowercase, so everything becomes lower. I just make W capital so that we see how lower works. Let's see if lowercase works, and then second one is I make it uppercase with pipe uppercase. This is inbuilt. All these are inbuilt pipes, as I already told. And title case is another one which makes the first letter of each word capital. So let's go ahead and see if these three pipes work. So as you can see, welcome to Angular. First one is lowercase, second one is uppercase, and third one is title case. So it works perfectly fine. So very simple, these three pipes. Now I'll just comment these out. Let's look at uh, slice and JSON pipes. So slice, what it does is it slices some string property you have with the starting index from where you want to slice. So the indexes start from 0 to 0, 1, 2, and the fourth element it will take. And then this last parameter is where you want to end it. So excluding that particular index. So it will take till 5 excluding 5. So basically we will see the uh, third and fourth indexes excluding the fifth index. So what is message? Message is welcome to Angular. Let's see if what I just explained works. So as I told, it takes the third and fourth indexes. The fifth gets excluded. That is how it works. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. CO are third and fourth indexes. It works perfectly fine. If you don't give the second parameter, it just takes the first parameter, which is nothing but the starting index. So it starts from C and prints the rest of the string. You know. Okay. Then we come to the JSON pipe. Now JSON pipe, what it does is it converts the JSON object into JSON string. So we have this object I have taken here. So let's see if it converts it to string. So as you can see here, the JSON string is printed. So it works perfectly fine. So let me go ahead and comment these out. Let's come to number pipes. Now I have a number I've taken 5.786 with a number pipe, and there are some options which it comes with, as we saw in the slides. Pipe, there are other options like starting and ending indexes. Similarly, you have some options. So what does these options do? So first is how many digits you want to take in the uh, before the decimal, you know. So this one, how many you want to take, and then how many digits you want to take out of the decimal places. So 2 to 3. Second one, how many digits in the integer uh, you want to take. So basically, you want to take two integers. You know, but basically it will come something like 0, 5, and then 4 to 5 uh, digits you want to take in the decimal places. You know, so 4 is the minimum, 5 is the maximum, 2 is the minimum, 3 is the maximum, and then third one is 3 digits you want to show before the decimal, and 1 to 2 digits you want to show after the decimal. Where 1 is the minimum number and 2 is the maximum number of digits. So here, since we are having 784, 3 digits, so and maximum is 2, so it will actually uh, round it off to 2 digits. So let's see these three uh, test cases here. The first one, 5.786. Your number of digits before the decimal was 1825, and minimum 2, maximum 3. So it's 5.786. Now you want to take 2 digits before the decimal, so it will come 05 dot 4 is minimum. So it will just apply a 0 because 4 is the minimum. So 5.05.7860 it becomes. The third one, what it does, it will become 005.78. 784 is rounded off to 78. So as you can see, 005.78. If it was 787, it would have rounded off to 79. 005.79. So this is how number pipes work. Let's quickly come to date pipes. Now I have defined a class variable date like this. Okay. So we will just print date first. Let's see what we get. The first one. So we get the whole date, time, and the uh, time zone. You know. Now, if I want to reduce it, I have something like options available, something like short date, short time. You know. So let us check these three first. So short date gives you date and time. Short, I mean, only short gives you date and time. Short date gives you only date, and time gives you only time, as you can see here. These three, right? So this was perfectly fine. Similar to short date and short time, we have medium date, medium time, and medium. Similarly, long date, long time, and long. So for demonstration purposes, I have just taken medium date and long date. Let's see what those uh, indexes give you. So medium date gives you like date like this. Long date gives you the whole month like this. Similarly, you can see how long work works, how medium works, and how long time and medium time works. So you can just test it out yourself. So these are the various options coming with date pipe. So yeah, these are some of the pipes I wanted to take, which come inbuilt with Angular. And just to specify my first point, the pipes are used only for few purposes. They don't change back the class variable. You know, so you get the value from the class variable and then you change it just before displaying it on the browser. But it doesn't mean that the value itself has changed of the class variable. So that never happens. So here message will remain whatever you have defined here. It will not change to lowercase or uppercase. It is just for showing purposes. Pipes are used. Okay. So just before I stop this session, I'll just quickly go over a custom pipe which I have created to give you some idea of how you can create your own custom pipes. Because there may be requirements where you want to manipulate format of a class variable, string, date, number, whatever, according to your requirements, and some inbuilt pipes may not be available. In that case, you can create custom pipes like this. So there is a specific syntax of creating a pipe. Just you can Google it out, get the basic syntax. And concept pipes, what it does is it takes the value what you want to manipulate along with some arguments. You take the parameters, you do some manipulation like I have done here, some kind of looping, and then I return the value back. And this value is what will be shown in the browser. Okay, so that is the idea. So this is how you can also create some kind of custom pipes and do your own manipulation on the value you get from the class variable. Hope this session was helpful. Please subscribe and like my video if you have liked it. So I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks.